Good afternoon. Welcome to our June the 21st afternoon update. Here on a Tuesday, the markets got absolutely walloped today in agricultural markets. Most commodity markets were down, but agricultural markets seemed to lead the way. Let's first look and say that improving weather in the Midwest. At the same time, we had in recent weeks a very large speculative position put on in grains and in cotton. Now that the weather's improving in the Midwest, we're seeing speculators leaving some of their long positions and doing it in a way that created quite a bit of excitement today as the markets have been pushed lower. Let's just start off with cotton. Cotton down 163 points, trading at 64.36. The high was 66.46. The low was 63.96. That's a 250-point range from low to high. Very, very wide, very active. November soybeans were down 22.5 at 11.10 and a quarter. At one point, it had gotten down today as low as 11.10, so that was very close to the low of the day here late in the day. The high was 11.40 and three quarters. As I said, the low was 11.10 even. December corn down 25 at 408 and three quarters with a high of 435, a low of 408 and three quarters. So it was closing on its low. The September wheat was down 14 and a quarter at 472 and three quarters with a high of 490 and a half and a low of 471 and a quarter. I have to look at this because I made notes as to the highs and lows maybe 5 minutes ago, and then we've made new lows here late in the day. The downside that we're seeing right now in these markets is really a downward move caused by liquidation from speculators. It's probably not going to continue after a few hard days down like this because you've still got a very tight carryout for soybeans, corn, and cotton. And for that reason, it's unlikely until we get past the key periods in July for pollination and pod setting for corn and for soybeans that the markets are probably not going to be able to see a lot more downside. So I would advise people that don't expect this to continue because it's probably not. We're probably going to see a good bounce in the next couple of days and regain some of what was lost here in this liquidation that we've seen. So the dollar is up 34 right now. Crude oil is down 47 cents a barrel. Gold is down $18 an ounce. Silver's down 18 cents an ounce. And the Dow Jones right now is up 42. So that's it for today. We will look at this market tomorrow morning. Have a good evening. Thank you.